How bananas affect diabetes and blood sugar levels. When you have diabetes, it's important to keep your blood sugar levels as stable as possible. Good blood sugar management can help prevent or slow the progression of some of the main medical complications of diabetes. For this reason, it's essential to avoid or minimize foods that cause blood sugar spikes. Despite being a healthy fruit, bananas are pretty high in both carbs and sugar, which are the main nutrients that raise blood sugar levels. This video summarizes whether you can eat bananas if you have diabetes, as well as whether they affect your blood sugar. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Bananas contain carbs, which raise blood sugar. If you have diabetes, being aware of the amount and type of carbs in your diet is important. This is because carbs raise your blood sugar level more than other nutrients, which means they can greatly affect your blood sugar management. When blood sugar levels rise in people without diabetes, their bodies produce insulin. This helps move sugar out of the blood and into cells, where it's used or stored. However, this process doesn't work as it should in people with diabetes. Instead, either the body doesn't produce enough insulin or the cells are resistant to the insulin that is made. Without proper diabetes management, you may experience blood sugar spikes after eating high-carb foods, or have constantly high blood sugar levels, both of which are unhealthy. How much sugar is in a banana? One medium banana contains 29 grams of carbs and 112 calories. The carbs are in the form of sugar, starch, and fiber. A medium banana contains about 15 grams of sugar. Bananas also contain fiber, which may reduce blood sugar spikes. In addition to starch and sugar, a medium banana contains 3 grams of fiber. Everyone, including people with diabetes, should try to eat enough dietary fiber because it has potential health benefits. However, fiber is especially important for people with diabetes, because it can help slow the digestion and absorption of carbs. This can reduce blood sugar spikes and improve overall blood sugar management. One way of determining how a carb-containing food will affect blood sugars is by looking at its glycemic index, GI. The GI ranks foods based on how much and how quickly they raise blood sugar levels. Diets based on low GI foods are thought to be particularly good for people with type 2 diabetes. This is because low GI foods are absorbed more slowly and cause a gradual rise in blood sugar levels rather than a large spike. Overall, bananas score low to medium on the GI scale, 42 to 62, depending on the ripeness. In addition to sugar and starch, bananas contain some fiber. This means the sugars in bananas are more slowly digested and absorbed, which could prevent blood sugar spikes. Green, unripe bananas contain resistant starch. The amount of this type of carbs in a banana varies depending on the ripeness. Green, or unripe, bananas contain less sugar and more resistant starch. Resistant starches are long chains of glucose, starch, that are resistant to digestion in the upper part of your digestive system. This means they function similarly to fiber and won't cause a rise in blood sugar levels. They also may help feed the friendly bacteria in your gut, which has been linked to improved metabolic health and better blood sugar management. In fact, a 2015 study on blood sugar management in women with type 2 diabetes found some interesting results. In an 8-week period, those supplementing with resistant starch had better blood sugar management than those who didn't supplement. Other studies have indicated that resistant starch may have beneficial effects for people with type 2 diabetes, such as improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. The role of resistant starch in type 1 diabetes is less clear. A banana's effect on blood sugar depends on its ripeness. Green, unripe bananas contain resistant starch, which doesn't raise blood sugar levels, and may improve long-term blood sugar management. Yellow, ripe bananas contain more sugar, so they may cause a bigger rise in blood sugar. Are bananas safe for those with diabetes? Fruits like bananas are healthy foods that contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals. If you have diabetes, remember that carb-containing foods can affect people's blood sugars differently. Therefore, you might want to monitor how eating bananas affects your blood sugar and adjust your eating habits accordingly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.